Hello friends, Apple has released Mac Mojave 10.14 and today I'm gonna show you how to install it on your Mac computers. So first you need to launch App Store. You should find Mac Mojave display right on the top of your App Store area. You can also find the Mac Mojave download link down in the description below. You can tap on it and it will take you to the same page. So you need to click on it and hit download button. Once it is downloaded, open it. Tap agree and hit install. This should start installing Mojave onto your Mac. Once it is done, it will reboot your Mac and you will find that beautiful dark mode. App Store has been completely redesigned. You will get that new Memos app and there is a lot more that has been introduced in this latest macOS. So stay tuned for all the upcoming Mac Mojave features. And that's all for today. I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.